Hi beautiful friend, in this video I am going to show you deactivate Facebook account without deleting it. So let's get started. First of all, open the Facebook application and make sure you can log into current account. After that, at the top left corner you can see 3-line hamburger menu icon. Simply tap on it to open them. Then scroll through the page, you can see settings and privacy option. Click on it. After that, go to settings. Once you are in the settings and privacy page, at the very top you can see account center or similar name. Click on it to open this page. Then scroll down to the page, go to manage account section. After this the page is open, you can see all of the account listed there. Simply select the exact account if you want to deactivate, then hit the manage option. After the next page is open, you can see various multiple options appear. You can select deactivation or deletion option. Then in the most important part, you can select deactivate account, not be selected delete account. After you have selected deactivate account, tap on continue. Then verify to enter your Facebook account password. After verify, hit continue button. Deactivating your Facebook account section, you can select the reason if you want to deactivate. For example, and select the very first option. Then scroll down to the bottom, tap on continue. Then scroll down again, you can select the time if your account is back. For example, I am select 7 days. You can select any other option if you like, but not be select don't reactivate automatically. After that, click on done. Tap on continue button. Then scroll down to the very bottom and confirm by tapping the deactivate my account, and you have successfully deactivation your account. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel. Take care everyone.